PLC programming for rotary encoder. It's a 400 PPR rotary encoder. Output from an encoder will be in the form of pulses. The number of pulses can be counted using high-speed counter block in PLC. The encoder shaft makes a 360-degree rotation. 400 pulses are generated. Here in this PLC program, if encoder value reaches 400, then output Q0.4 gets off. We are seeing the same program in PLC software. If input push button is pressed, it starts rotating, and when counter value is greater than or equal to 400 pulses, rotation stops, and you can see rotation stops after 360 degrees exactly. For more info, visit the website.